Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time seeing my face, I am Nana Bema. I'm a Ghanaian content creator in Ghana. I have decided to share with you my day to day, how we live our lives. Some of us live our lives as Ghanaians. I'm outside. What I want to do is to put water on fire. Then afterwards, I will sweep the compound. Then the rest of the activities would carry on. So if you are interested in knowing how a typical Ghanaian spends her day, keep watching. Today is a holiday. It's Kwame Nkrumah's birthday, so we are having our birthday parties. I'm going to download. If you know, you know. Anytime I wake up every day, it takes me between 20 to 30 minutes before I will have the urge to download. If I don't do it now, it will vanish. I will not feel it again until tomorrow morning when I wake up. So for my own health, I want to go and download. By grace, this is my story. To God be the glory. I'm only a sinner, and I've been saved by grace. When it comes to aglema or banchimore, I always blend my cassava. Hey, fine girl. What's your nika? Mommy, what's your nika? You're much of cake. Who did they? Who did they? Who will be Nana means to be? Mimi would too.
And my sister Rose one.
And near the man near the name.
Abba also no better than I can say.
Abba from her. Okay, so
we're going to take care of you.
We are married. Maybe I'm a married. Say nobody there. And nobody there. And nobody there. Wow, you're not soon, you know. What's there? She says she will not eat to maybe in the bunch and now they are by the door, so then I will be. We work for a winning. So that is that. After the rice porridge, you know, me conquer no beam. Me vie and me con and no beam. So I want to eat the fufu. When you eat heavy in the morning, for me, I know most of you it doesn't work, but for me, it helps. She climbed on me, mommy. Sifon, ube press it. Your much of kitchen. Sifon, Sifon. Don't touch me. You remember don't touch me. Have you used it before? Have you used it before? School no. So we are done. Yeah, we are done with everything. And I want to end the vlog here. Thanks so much for your time. I am sharing some of these with you so that you know what really happens, what we do, what each one of us does, what we do to make our friendship work. They are Nature and Nenikum. She wants to sleep, but I am glad her daughter would not allow her. But for me, I want to film a video for my other channel. It's been a while. I have videos, but the time to do the voiceover ain't easy. So that is it. Until I drop another video, I want to say thank you so much for your time. We are jockeys. So until we drop another video, I want to say thank you for watching from the beginning up to the end. And we leave you in the peace and the mercies of the Most High. Peace. Oh yeah. Say shalom. Pano. And chop kiss. Chop kiss. Chop kiss. Hey, uba pano. Hey. Bye bye. Beje pano.